Welcome to our exploration of modern floral art. Today we are breaking down two highly creative yet frequently confused design styles, freeform and free expression. While both offer a departure from traditional, symmetrical arranging, their rules and mechanics are distinctly different. Let's start with freeform. This style is an absolute celebration of curves and continuous movement. To master freeform, you must eliminate all straight and angular lines from your design. The eye should glide effortlessly across the arrangement without hitting any, stoppage points. While stems must originate from a single central point, known as radial construction, the final silhouette is beautifully non-geometric and organic. On the other end of the spectrum is free expression. This is the ultimate creative outlet in modern floral design. By definition, a free expression design is a modern concept that intentionally breaks the rules of all other defined modern styles. It doesn't have to follow a single focal point. You can use multiple points of emergence, or even multiple containers. It allows for striking angles, straight lines, and highly interpretive mechanics. How do you choose between them for a competition? Think of it as flow versus freedom. If your botanical materials naturally twist, bend, and swoop, let them shine in a strictly curvilinear, free-form design. But if you have a bold, architectural concept that combines sharp angles with mixed mechanics across multiple vessels, free expression is your perfect canvas. Whether you are harnessing the continuous rhythm of freeform or the boundless creativity of free expression, both styles challenge the designer to push the boundaries of botanical art.